Hello, I'm in a 2017 Chevy Equinox, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's lit up. And from here, we'll hit this clock button. It takes you to your date and time screen, and here you can scroll and then push this to select. So set time, select. And then here you can go up or down, so you get to the right time, push enter. It goes to the next one automatically, push enter. Same AM, PM. Enter, and it just auto saves as you go through each step. And then set your date. We'll go down to date, and then same here, you can go up or down, and you could use the touch screen if you want to instead, but and then yep, just up or down through each. And if you prefer military time, you can adjust the year or your standard 12-hour display. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.